Hi everyone, my name's James Pember. I'm the VP Product here at Komo, and today I'm going to give you an overview of all of the new features and improvements we've been working on lately. Moving forward, we're looking to release these videos monthly, but for now, consider this an update for all of 2024 so far. Let's jump in. So the team has had a very productive 2024 so far. We're releasing at least weekly to production. We've packaged up over 10 plus noteworthy new features and capabilities. And as always, we work tirelessly to make the product as reliable, slick and smooth as we can. The product team here at Komo works on quarterly themes. The theme for Q1 was platform, where we focused on building out some of the capabilities that round out the product suite, namely contacts, i.e. our sort of CRM CDP functionality, workflows and integrations, and that's of course on top of the content suite that we consider our core business here at Komo. More on some of these in a couple of moments, but we've just kicked off April and Q2, and the theme we're working on currently is called Scale and Polish, and it's really about helping our enterprise customers to run at scale promotions, campaigns and competitions, obviously with the goal of driving best-in-class customer engagement, and really for us it's about helping them run those as efficiently and sort of intuitively as possible, even into the millions and millions of entries. So let's dive into some of what we've released so far. So we kicked off the year with a quite significant redesign of the user interface. As I said, we spent a lot of early 2024 on the platform and building out those capabilities. And what we wanted to do with this redesign was make all of those capabilities much easier to find and much easier to use. So we now have platform level navigation, which brings all those core components of Komo together. So content, contacts and automations, which is our integrations and workflows piece. So yeah, really the goal here is just to have it as sort of intuitive and discoverable as possible, all of those components, and obviously package them in a slick, clean and appealing way. Another huge capability we released earlier this year was Workspaces, which allows large enterprise customers to isolate groups, teams, divisions, brands into their own workspaces. And this keeps their content, their contacts and customer data and their integrations sort of separate and unique from each other, while still ensuring the company can obviously manage and oversee everything at a top level. I've mentioned workflows a couple of times already, and this is a piece of the product we've invested significantly into this year, and it's all about allowing customers to build tailored, personalized customer journeys and campaign automations. Workflows is a very intuitive product to use. Marketers can build using a drag and drop interface and using our inbuilt triggers and actions to build the workflows that they need to automate and power their campaigns. We've seen workflows used for lots of things so far, from sophisticated sort of personalized pricing automations to data cleaning and CRM syncs, or even just customs, segmentation of contact and customer data. And we definitely expect that this will only become a more and more critical piece of the Komo stack moving forward. As we've continued to break into the enterprise customer segment, we felt a need to really invest in our entry management product to ensure that it's fast, intuitive and easy to use, even at, as I said previously, millions of entries. So we've added bulk actions, native tagging, a sophisticated filter and export functionality. We've also added powerful capabilities for detecting and stopping spammers and scammers, and automation of qualification and disqualification rules. In other words, everything you need to run at scale promotions and competitions and campaigns. Here at Komo, we have a very clear set of product principles. They are richer content, deeper engagement, and integrated completely. And this new feature, bonus entries, very much fits into that richer content piece. Bonus entries is a totally configurable set of tools for giving customers additional chances to win in sweepstakes or random draws. And what's really cool about bonus entries is that it's totally configurable. It can be powered by workflows, which means you can use it in so many different ways. This is not a solution that is strictly defined by a set of rules. It can be totally built according to your needs. So we've seen shopping and retail customers do things like, if you spend $50, you get one entry. If you spend $100, you get 3 entries. And obviously that gives you an idea of the flexibility of this feature when paired with workflows. Earlier this year, we released a new card called Treasure Hunt, which is obviously inspired by traditional scavenger hunts and allows customers to build entirely digital activations of that nature that encourage their customers or people to move around and explore a physical space. This is obviously ideal for our customers in the events, retail, and entertainment verticals. And, we've just been blown away by the creativity of our customers so far. So, whether it be music festivals, trade shows, shopping malls, Treasure Hunt has proven to be a really, really great solution for driving engagement. But if a full-scale treasure hunt is sort of too heavy for that particular type of use case, we've also built a lighter solution, which we call Check-In, which lets customers sort of gate access via a QR code feature, which can be added to forms. And really this is about ensuring a customer is where they say they are. So this can be used in a variety of different ways, from, scan the code at reception to enter, to more, powerful campaign rules like, check into 3 different zones in the music festival to have a chance to win the prize or something like that. So yeah, another really great feature for driving engagement. Another capability we've invested in heavily this year is our unique and secret codes solution. And you're probably sensing a bit of a theme here, but again, a flexible and robust solution for driving that campaign logic. So these are codes which, the user must enter to pass the form. They can be text-based or QR-based. And again, we've seen so many creative use cases here, from having customers solve riddles to having customers enter receipt numbers or booking references to prove that they purchased something, to even printing unique codes or QR codes on, say, drinks at music festivals. So lots of different ways here to drive engagement and gate access to campaigns with those unique codes. Alright, so that was a look at some of the more noteworthy features and capabilities we've released this year. Let's have a look at some of the things we're currently working on. So one of the most exciting products we're working on currently is called Insights, and it's a full revamp of our analytics engine and product. Something we've learned along the journey is that every customer has a unique set of questions they would like to ask the Komo data, and Insight Builder is our solution to that problem. So with Insight Builder, customers are going to be able to build their own custom queries and interrogate the Komo data in any way which they see fit, and they'll be able to build and generate their own visualizations and explore, slice and dice that data to get to the answer that they're looking for. We're really excited about this. We're still in the early stages of building out this product, but definitely expect to hear more on this one soon. Another really heavily requested feature we've had on the roadmap for a while is the ability to build out multi-page hubs or sites, and whether that be to keep all of the campaign-specific landing pages on one domain, or just whether you want a more traditional site structure where you can have pages for things like FAQs or prize information or terms and conditions. We've bundled this multi-page work together with a revamp and redesign of the site editor, and we're very excited again about this one because it brings us much closer to having a fairly robust site CMS within the platform. We're making very good progress here, and again, one to keep an eye on, and something you can expect an update on very soon. The last key capability that we're investing in currently is our CRM Sync product. we want to build a generic set of tools for keeping the contact and customer data you have in Komo in sync with another CRM or CDP, and we're building that out now, and we've started with Salesforce for obvious reasons. It's the biggest and the most popular amongst our customer base. And so what this product will be is a really intuitive and easy to set up integration, where you can basically keep all of the contacts and all of the data about them that you collect in Komo in sync with Salesforce. But very much, this is a generic set of tools that we expect will then speed up our ability to deliver the next incremental CRM or CDP. So more on this one very soon. All right, so that's the update. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or just want to be in touch, you can get in touch with me via email or LinkedIn. My email is james.pember@komo.tech, and you can just find me on LinkedIn by searching my name. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.